Brother Naija housemate, Natasha Anita Akide, popularly known as Tacha, has opened up on the reason she decided to relocate abroad. NaijaNews reports that Tacha recently left Nigeria for the United Kingdom. Speaking in a chat with British media personality, Madam Joyce, Tacha disclosed that she relocated to the UK because she has conquered the Nigerian market. Tacha said, "I relocate to the UK because I have conquered the whole of the Nigerian market. Relocating to UK doesn't mean I'm not going to do Nigerian deals. If the offer is good, why not?" Influencing scene in Nigeria looks beautiful, but behind the scenes, it is not as beautiful as it seems. Because the money is poor, someone would pay you 6 million naira, that's around $3,000, for you to influence for 6 months and post 2 videos a month when I left Big Brother Naija show in 2019. But it made sense then. At least, you could book a plane ticket with it. But right now, $3,000 is nothing. 6 million naira seems good, but when you have to convert it to dollars, travel abroad, and spend money to look good, there's nothing left. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more fresh updates and exclusive videos.